Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making Alouda, this famous drink from Mauritius. First, we'll get started with the seeds. So it is basil seeds or tukmaya. So we're just going to put this in water. I have about 1 tablespoon of tukmaya and a cup of water. And let this sit for a couple of hours. So one thing about these seeds, as you can tell already, it's already getting pretty fuzzy. And what I like to do is to leave it for a couple of hours, and then all of the bad ones are just going to be floating up top. And that's when you know you can remove the ones that are bad. And let's just cover this up. So now we're moving to the agar part of the alouda. So all you need is 2 cups of water, heat it up, and then add in your agar. So for every 2 tablespoons of agar, it's 1 cup of water. But today I'm using 4 tablespoons of agar and 2 cups of water. And you want this to be all dissolved in here. So this agar, it's super easy to make, but you want to work quick with this. It has dissolved already in this water, and now because it is flavorless, colorless, I want to add in my own flavor. I am using a strawberry flavor for this, so we just need a little bit of drops, not too much. It is pretty strong. And a couple of drops of red food coloring. We'll cover this up and let it sit in the fridge for about 2 hours. So now the agar is all set. We're just going to place it on a cutting board here. And you can cut this in any shape or form that you like. I've seen people grate this, just cut it into little pieces, or just have random shapes. Once your jello's cut up, let's set that aside. Now, see these little things here? We can just remove them because you don't want to be drinking those. All right, so let's put this alouda together. So I have a cup of milk, my tukmaya or basil seeds, some jello, and of course the most important is rose syrup. So we're just going to start with this. You just need a little bit. It is pretty concentrated. Stir this up. Grab some tukmaya. And your jello. And to top it all off, we're adding some vanilla ice cream. And this is it. This is my video on alouda. And it kind of reminds me of a bubble tea, doesn't it? If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for my newest videos. Cheers.